All right, so my mini mag racing days, started in '88, but I raced for a few years, and I met a good friend, the late Larry Plank. We became great friends. We raced mini mags together, and we were just enamored with the truck racing and how do we get into truck racing. So in 1992, I sold my mini mag, and I decided to take the money and buy a 7S truck. I bought an old 7S truck, and actually Mark Martin and Larry Plank kind of helped me build that truck up, and we started racing 7S. And I didn't start racing 7S until I think 1994. I took 93 off to get married to my beautiful wife, Kellyanne. But I started racing 7S in 94. Took a few years to figure out 7S and how the guys were beating me so bad with underdrives. We finally got an underdrive, and then we kicked ass for a couple of years in 7S. And then we went from 7S to Pro Truck. And I lucked out in being able to go to Trophy Truck because we found a sweet deal on the old Herbst truck that the Raptor racing guys had. And that's how I got involved in racing.